What up, y'all? Phil back for Ertl of the past. I'm gonna do some more videos here. Hope y'all are doing well out there. I ain't doing too bad here on this end, thank God. I'm gonna take a look at this here truck. As you can see it, it's Ertl there on the side of the bed there, the compartment there. It's a cattle truck basically. I would say it's, I don't know what scale, I have no idea. I was trying to bring it up on eBay, but of course my internet's not always the best in this here building. Let's wait and see if it comes up. We'll measure him up while I wait on that. Okay, lengthwise, bumper to the back of the 10 inches, I would say. Width is 3.5, 3 3/4. Height top of the cab of the truck is right at 3 3/4. 4 to the top of the trailer. Cattle hauling unit there on the rear of the truck. Pretty cool little truck overall. Glad I grabbed it. Let's see, it finally popped up. Let me see if I can get it to eBay and cooperating with me today. Where you got, truck? There he is, $22 shipped. It's in used condition, or one in the box. You can tell it's kind of is what it is. Got some scrapes and some dings, but it gives it some character, doesn't it? I would think so. Like I had something sticky on the hood there. Tires and wheels all underneath. Wheels are plastic, I believe. Yeah, they're plastic. You can see it says Ertl on them right there. Ertl on the cattle compartment there. Opens at the back, and there's the inside of it. It's pretty old and ancient looking truck here. Trying to see. I wish I could date this thing to tell you how old it is. It has to be from the early 80s to 70s, I would think, though, to be 100% honest. It's pretty neat. It's pretty weathered looking. So it's definitely, I would say it's 70s even. Pretty cool little truck over here. Let's do this here. This is the tanker truck I got with the tanker the other day. Now it's the same scale truck, and I was saying this was 1/24th. I thought so. I'm guessing that truck's 1/24th. We'll do a 16 scale tractor as well with it here real quick. There's the white American 60, that's 1/16 scale. And I'll do my 1/16 scale John Deere pickup as well. Here's the John Deere pickup. As you can see, it's much bigger. So I would say 16th, 1/24th. I'm guessing about 1/24th on this truck. If anybody actually knows the scale, let me know though. It's pretty cool, y'all. Alright, I'll close out my video. Y'all, want to thank y'all for always tuning in, supporting my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Phil for Ertl of the past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.